Installing a Capristo exhaust system. We recommend preparing the car for fitting the new Capristo exhaust system by removing everything which might get in the way of installation work. First of all, the original exhaust system is removed. Now the exhaust system can be fitted. A hose connects the solenoid valve to the exhaust dampers at the rear. The solenoid valve is connected to the vacuum accumulator so that the exhaust dampers can be activated using a vacuum. In order to enjoy the full comfort and sports car attributes of a Capristo exhaust system, a programmable Capristo control unit needs to be used. The exhaust dampers are only allowed to be opened manually on racetracks and outside the European Union. This information is displayed on the control unit. The system with ram pressure monitoring is now ready. This system has been designed to reach maximum output. When the dampers are closed, the level of comfort is still maintained. If the dampers are opened, the exhaust fumes are directly conducted to the tailpipe. Increases in power and torque are measured on our state-of-the-art test bed. Our test bed, with its integrated airflow duct, diamond-coated mechanically linked rollers and high accuracy, is one of the very best available on the market. We pledge that the globally unique Capristo system leaves nothing to be desired, and we're so certain that we offer a 2-week no-quibble money-back guarantee. You'll have your money refunded. All Capristo systems come with this satisfaction guarantee.